What is a USDA loan? Are you thinking of purchasing a home? If so, one of the first things you might think of is what type of a loan should I apply for? Today, more than ever, there are so many loan options, it can sometimes become confusing when trying to decide which one you should use. If you wish to secure a loan with low rates and no money down, you will not find a better loan than a USDA loan. USDA loans, also known as Rural Development Loans, are loans that are offered by lenders but are insured by the federal government. Because the government insures the loan, there is less risk and thus lower rates can be offered. With all USDA loans, all interest rates are fixed and will never change. With a fixed rate, you will never have to worry about your payment increasing. The best benefit of a USDA loan is that USDA offers loans that will allow you to finance 100% of your home's value. In other words, these are no money down loans. By choosing a no money down loan with a low fixed interest rate, you will be able to afford a larger home or have a smaller payment. To qualify for a USDA loan, you must live in a rural community, have ability to repay the loan, and show a history of paying your bills on time. Get started.